Yeah.
Or give us this, our daily jelly bread. Deliver me not into Penn Station. Remember that one? And Harold be thy name.
Harold be thy name. And the kids playing with like snow plows backing into people's parked cars.
You're about that up on
Vermont? No.
Snowplow knocked over somebody's tree. City.
Send the snowmobilers away. No snowmobiling allowed in the city. So get the hell out of here. This guy.
What's going on, homeboy?
Nothing. What's happening?
Nothing. What do you got going on? Anything?
Nothing.
Camera crew tonight, huh?
Gonna go on. Go to the beach.
What do you got going on?
I got 300 Lake.
Oh, are you? Squad?
No. Right now I got the parks.
Oh, okay. That was kick-ass though, because they wanted you to get comp time. They wanted you to take comp time. So, you're making fucking mega cash right now.
And I took it on such a beautiful day.
300 Lake is excellent.
I know. In the parks,
What's going on in them?
a couple snowmobilers here and there.
Oh, it's sledders, you know?
Sledders, yeah. Cross-country skiers.
You gotta watch those sledders.
Yeah.
New vehicle, their sled tag they have.
Right.
And some of those kids don't have valid sled license.
I know.
But,
All right. Well.
yeah, what, are you doing anything tonight?
After Lake Street.
How much? What time
Till 3.
Oh.
All right. Well, I'm finna on going up to the Belvedere Park.
All right. No activity.
No activity.
That white crime lab back? I said those no use for. Deep in the center, just north of Catherine Pulaski. It poses absolutely no road hazard. There's nobody inside the car, nobody around it. I'll be checking to see if there's any further ones down here. Temple.